Hello and welcome to Patricia's Orchids. Today I'm going to share with you two unboxings. I'm just going to do a voiceover so I can speed up the videos and they won't last too long. So my first unboxing is from Orchid Botanics in Bristol. This is my Cattleya triani Concolor Orion. So this I believe is got sort of pinkish, more pinkish colored flowers, and well, I've got two other Cattleya trianis. One is a splash petal and one is a normal color. So I would expect this to bloom next year. I quite like my trianis. They tend to be very vigorous growers, and well, they're just vigorous. And I don't have issues with getting them to bloom either. So yes, I'm quite happy with that. The next orchid is Dendrobium goldsmithianum. This is more of a filler. I wanted to order the Cattleya triani and the one more orchid, so I thought I might as well add this as well. So for 12 pounds, it's not a bad size. I believe it's supposed to be 1 year to blooming. So yeah, it looks okay. That's Dendrobium goldsmithianum. And this one is my Cattleya walkeriana. This was one of the ones that I wanted. I do have another one, Cattleya walkeriana, but it's not growing very well. I think it was a immature plant, and it's just not really growing very fast. So I thought I'd get an adult size plant. So that looks good. Okay, and this one is, again, it's a filler. This is Dendrobium tortilli. Saw this one on Ninja Orchids, and I thought I would give it a shot, especially as I can grow it cold. So it goes dormant, I think, in the winter here. Well, it's already lost most of its leaves, so yeah, that will go in my cold greenhouse. But yeah, I'm pleased with that. That's Dendrobium tortilli, Dendrobium goldsmithianum, Cattleya triani, and Cattleya walkeriana. Those are my orchids from Orchid Botanics in Bristol. My second unboxing is from Spicesotic plants on eBay. They had a Dendrobium spectabile cross that I decided I would try. I would like to try the spectabile species, but I'm worried I might kill it as it likes very hot, humid conditions, and I don't have much luck with plants from swampy areas. So I decided I'd try the hybrid and hopefully it'll be a bit more vigorous than the species. So the first plant I'm going to open is the Neo-Phoenicia cross. It's Neo-Phoenicia felcata crossed with Daranera rainbow stars blue. So this is Daranera rainbow stars blue back crossed with Neo felcata. So it's 75% Neo-Phoenicia and 25% Daranera charm blue star. I'm not quite sure what goes in that, so but hopefully I'm hoping for Neophanetia flowers and scent with probably periwinkle blue flowers, hopefully. But yeah, it's not too bad. It's got one fan, a maturing fan, and it's just starting a third fan. So hopefully it'll be a vigorous grower when it gets acclimatized to my conditions. Um, this one is the Dendrobium spectabile cross. It's 50% Dendrobium spectabile, 25% Dendrobium atrovillaceum, and 12.5% Dendrobium macrophyllum. So it's nearly 88% Latoria type. So hopefully the flowers will last a while. I don't think it'll be scented though. But from what I've seen of photos of the cross, it should have sort of dark pink to purple flowers. I'm just going to go to the sink and clear off all this moss because it seems to be potted in pure moss, so I'll have to go to the sink. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, this is the spectabile cross with all the moss washed off. Uh, yeah, it's not too bad. It's obviously a division of a larger plant, and the roots seem to be healthy. The new growth, I need to clean the leaves off. But yeah, I think I'll probably mount it. I tend to prefer less media around my Latorias. But yeah, I'll probably grow the Neo in sort of semi-hydroponics. But yeah, I'm happy with both plants. They both look like they'll grow well. Thank you for watching. Bye.